Hello world, my name is Paul Victor and this is my CS50 web Capstone beloved technology website. The README in my report document shows distinctiveness and complexity, the dynamic content role-based access, Django models, and JavaScript front end. The code is on GitHub at Vickoboy. The app runs with Django and SQLite. I will now show you the live site. Homepage with the dynamic carousel. The site is mobile responsive. Here is the mobile view showing the collapsed navigation and responsive cards. News is database driven. Each news item has its own detailed page with image support. I added a news post via the admin and demonstrate dynamic updates. Gallery Lightbox open in a Modal Lightbox implemented with JavaScript for a smooth UX. So here are the departments. There are two independent authentication systems for staff and students with role-based dashboards and permission. Super staff can register other staff as other staff. Access is restricted by custom decorators. Staff can add assessments and assignments. These are stored in the database and visible to assigned students. Contact submission save the database and show success message after submission. Front end interactivity, that is the carousel gallery modal form validation, uses JavaScript files under main static tiers. Here are the Django models: news, department, student, staff, assignment, and assessment, demonstrating server-side models powering the app. The README documents distinctiveness and run instructions. Like the requirement.txt list the Djangos and pillow. The repository branch for submission is Web 50 Project 2022X Capstone. To recap, the app uses the Django's models. JavaScript front end is mobile responsive, has dynamic content, role-based access, admin managed content, and a full README. The code is on my GitHub account. Thanks. I'm Paul Victor. The project and source code are on GitHub at Vickoboy. I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you for this opportunity. CS50, thank you for this opportunity. I love you.